Some of you are here to know about going abroad and a test for that. Today we're going to discuss such test, which is called Duolingo English Test. The website is provided here, englishtest.duolingo.com. Now, this is an extensive video introducing this test. So stay calm and learn about it. First of all, let me tell you, this is a test to test the proficiency of a person in English. That means if you're going abroad or staying in your own country, if you want to test how your English is, go for this test. You can take this test at home. Some of you might be thinking about IELTS and TOEFL because they're accepted all around the world and many universities. This test is also being accepted by thousands of institutes, including names such as Columbia University, Duke University, University of Chicago. And if you need a full list, click on this button, see who accepts the test, and you will get this kind of window where you can search by name or you can filter according to your requirement, graduation, undergraduation, PhD, whatever it is. So you get a full list and definitely your problem will be solved. Now, when we know the test is accepted worldwide, there's one more thing. It can be taken from anywhere. Literally, you can take it from home. You just need a computer and an internet connection. Now, think of tests like IELTS, TOEFL or PTE. Can you take it from home? No, because you have to travel for that test. And that's not possible here. But in the case of this test, that is Duolingo English Test, definitely. Remember, just a computer and internet connection, and you can definitely start the test. Moreover, it takes only 48 hours or 2 days to get the results. But think about other tests such as IELTS, TOEFL, PTE. How long does it take? In my knowledge, they take at least 13 days to 30 days. 13 to 30 is a long time to get your result. What if you're in a hurry? Then you can definitely go for Duolingo English Test. It takes only 2 days or 48 hours. That's a very short time compared to the one which we have seen, which is 30 days or 13 days. A long time, right? So go for this if you need really quick. The price for Duolingo English Test is gonna surprise you the most. Even after this many features that you can take the test at home and it gives the results really quickly, this test is just 49 USD or 3,700 rupees. Now you'll be surprised looking at the price of IELTS, which is 14,000 rupees. Okay, that's a big price compared to that one. This is almost 4 times, I would say, right? So why to go for a test when it is so expensive, taking long time for that which you have to travel, in fact sometimes 2 days to travel? I would definitely prefer Duolingo in that case. Okay, one more thing, the duration of Duolingo test is just 1 hour. Your whole test including speaking will be over in 1 hour. However, duration for IELTS and TOEFL is 3 to 4 hours. If you know something about IELTS, you know what it is about, right? It is speaking, reading, writing, listening, everything. In fact, speaking is on different days sometime. So I would still prefer Duolingo because it's short-timed. You can take it from home and it's really budget as well, especially for Indian people, right? Okay, now in this session, I'll also show you that you can create an account and take a free practice test. You don't need to pay for that 49 USD which we discussed. You can take a free test to see how the test actually takes place. You're gonna see a glimpse of that. So to create an account, click on the button, you will see such an image. To create an account for IELTS and TOEFL, it's a huge hassle. But here, what you have to do is provide your age, your email address and a password. That's it. Click on that account and when you go next, you will get such window where you have take the free test, purchase the test, which is 49 USD, or once you purchase this button will be open. So we can take one of these because we didn't pay. We can go for practice test. In the practice test, I'm gonna show you, initially they're gonna show you instructions. Okay, like this is just to see what the test is like. It'll take you 15 minutes and you get an unofficial score. That means just to see where you stand. The types of questions that will come up in the test are, they will play an audio and you have to type whatever they said. Your response will be coming here. One of the kind of question, I'm not saying only this kind, but one of the kind. Sometimes you might get this kind of fill in the blanks and you have to write the answer. For example, here it's sunlight for sure. usually, grow. So see, this is really simple, fill in the blanks. Compared to other tests, this is simple and easy to crack. You can have question types like this. There will be a statement mentioned, I am only here to observe. So your task is to just say it clearly and out loud. So I think Duolingo English Test is making sense. Better, cheaper, takes lesser time, no travel, right? Another question type is you have to choose which one of these is a real English word. For example, unreliable is English word, liberal is, what about isalt? Doesn't make any sense. Isalt is not an English word. So you have to choose which one is really English word. For example, memo is an English word, right? Good. Another question type which I really enjoy is look at the picture and just describe it here in 1 or 2 statements, or maybe 3, just more than 1, right? And just write it here, whatever you see, and that's it. These are the few question types. I'm not saying only these, but there are more, but similar, interactive and fun. You can do it at home, right? So remember, how long does it take to get the result for this kind of test? 48 hours. That is 2 days. Compared to other tests, it's almost 10 times lesser, right? Now, to conclude, this is called Duolingo English Test. It is a competitive exam where you can write to check your proficiency in English. You can get your result within 48 hours and you can write it from home. The price is just 49 USD. Compared to other tests, this is 4 times lesser, isn't it? That's amazing. Just go to the website, write the test, or maybe just the practice test. That will help you. If you need any help, write us a mail, and also we leave this link in the description. You can click on it and go over there. Okay. Still, if you have a doubt, you know the comment section where they are, right? If you enjoy the video, leave a like and also a comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Goodbye.